Hi guys, my name is Umair and you're watching Umair's Workshop. Today I'm going to talk about this UV light, grow light, ultraviolet light, and it is bulb holder is e27, and it will be connected into the normal bulb holder like that. So it is useful for grow light as for the indoor plants such as flowers or cactus, something like that, which doesn't need a heavy light of the sunlight, or out they cannot be outdoor. So you can use this to just provide the ultraviolet light for them, so they can process their photosynthesis like that. So the sun is already also ultraviolet light, but we can alternatively use this if we are using any kind of indoor plants. So it is wattage is 220 volt and its consumption is 1 watt, which is very low for its size. I'm going to put it. So as you can see, it is very heavy light, and it can easily put up into the plants, a big plant or small plant, so it is very useful. I'm going to turn off the light to see how good light it is. So it is very good light, very good throw. It can be used in a lot of applications such as currency checking, jumps checking, or washing the tools with the light. It has many applications like soak the nail polish if you're using it, can be used in beauty parlors, currency checking, a lot of applications it has. So if you want to buy this kind of grow light, you can search on Google or the raj.pk grow light for hydroponics, and also currency checking as well. So I'm going to use these bulbs in my next upcoming projects, so you can see them where I'm going to use them. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Have a nice day. Bye.